How do you field dress an elk? If you have ever wondered how to field dress an elk, you are in for a treat. This process is essential for preserving the meat after a successful hunt. Let's break it down step by step so you can feel confident when the time comes. First, it is important to start field dressing as soon as possible after harvesting the elk. This helps to cool the meat quickly and maintain its quality. You will need a few tools for this task: sharp knives, gloves, game bags, and some rope. Begin by positioning the elk on its back. It is best to have the hindquarters downhill. This helps with drainage and makes the process easier. If you can, prop the elk against a tree or log. You can also use rope to secure the legs and keep the animal steady. Next, make a careful incision starting from the anus and moving upward along the belly to the sternum. Always cut away from your body to avoid any accidents. Depending on local hunting regulations, you may need to leave part of the sex proof intact. Once you have made the incision, carefully separate the hide from the meat along the incision line. If you plan to skin the elk, cut around the knees and down the legs to remove the hide completely. Roll the hide with the fur side out to keep it clean. Now let's talk about gutting. Open the body cavity by cutting along the belly incision. Be very careful not to puncture the stomach or intestines, as this can contaminate the meat. You can remove the heart, lungs, liver, and other organs if you want to keep them. If you are interested in preserving the head and cape as a trophy, make precise cuts around the neck and skull. This is usually done in a Y or V shape to remove the hide and skull cap cleanly. Another method you might consider is the gutless method. This involves quartering the elk without fully opening the body cavity. It can save weight and reduce mess. For this method, cut along the spine from the base of the skull to the tail. Then, remove the quarters while leaving the guts intact. Throughout the entire process, cleanliness is key. Use gloves and game bags to protect the meat from dirt and insects. Quick cooling and proper handling are vital for preserving the quality of the elk meat. Field dressing an elk is similar to cleaning fish in that both requiring prompt removal of internal organs to prevent spoilage. Both processes involve careful cutting and methods to keep the meat clean and cool. By following these steps, you can ensure the best quality of meat for later use.